This article comes from Reuters. Pound hits 8-week high as banking worries recede. British pound hit its highest level against the dollar in 8 weeks as worries about the health of the global financial system continue to ease. The pound's risk-sensitive nature means it was supported by the rebound in risk appetite amidst cooling concerns about the banking sector turmoil. Markets have been volatile in March following the collapse of U.S. tech lender Silicon Valley Bank, an emergency takeover Credit Suisse by banking rival USB, raising fears of systematic stress that can lead to more bank failures. But relief swept over markets this week after regional U.S. lender First Citizens Bank shares bought by assets of SVB and the absence of fresh concerns helped lift confidence among investors. So let's just go straight to the British pound. And as always, we're going to start with the monthly chart. And you can see back in September of 2020, the pound reached an all-time low of 1.05. It has now increased roughly 15 to 20%. And when I look at the monthly chart, I see selling pressure. I also see buying pressure. So price has been range bound since December, but that's a pretty big range. That's 600 pips. You can make a lot of money with 600 pip type moves on a monthly basis. So let's go to the weekly chart. You can see a drop in price, a big basing candle, and then a drop in price. So this is the level 126 I'm going to mark off, as that might be the next level where there might be some sellers waiting. If we go to the weekly chart, again you can see what I was talking about on the monthly chart. There's just big sideways range trading, pricing. But on the weekly chart, what you can see is the resistance a little bit better. So you had a huge wick, signifies selling. You had a rally in price, you had this basing candle, and then you had a drop in price. Same thing this week. You had a rally in price, came back up, and then it pulled back. So price needs to get and close above the 125 level. And we'll color that in as red. Alright, let's go down to the, just worth noting, if price can clear this 126, it is smooth sailing to the 130 level. So that's something I'm going to be paying attention to. On the downside, you had a rally in price, a basing candle, and then a rally out. So there are weekly buyers at the 118 level. Okay, let's go down to the daily chart. You can see this a little bit better. Resistance, resistance, resistance. I love this area right here. So this could be a bull trap. I don't like trading to the left of this drop in price, but it has to be respected. So we're going to call that daily sellers. Now the volume is not the greatest, so I'm just going to denote it as blue. The 126 level, price can close above that. It's smooth sailing. You have some sellers here at the 127 on probably a 4-hour chart, but let's see if we have price respecting the uptrend. It's going to get interesting. It's going to get interesting. This is why I like doing these type of analysis. I would have never thought to consider the pound or levels where I would consider the pound. So there you have it. Currently price is at 1.2350. We break the short-term uptrend line. Prices probably could retreat down to the 122. That's only about 150 pips. I'm more interested in breaking these couple of levels to get to the 130 over time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.